footpath's been repaired here in Limerick. You don't seem to go down too far, you know. Over here, there'll be subsidence problems there afterwards, no doubt. That building would need to be underpinned now after this work that's happening on. So it'll be interesting to see what they'll do with it. There's no cracks at the outside of the building or anything. Looks very good. Not bad at all now for an old building. Around the windows, very good. So this now building is not underpinned. Cracks will start appearing soon enough. So everything is interesting. So as I said, they don't go down too deep, they're only skimming it. Not even skimmed, as you can see. They're afraid in case they hit lead piping. Avoid lead piping at all costs, just make the city look good. That's disgraceful there. Yeah. Oh, just skim it, don't take too much off. Grab her. Limerick City. Loads of money for the footpaths. Loads of money. And they're ignoring, looks like they're ignoring the lead pipe work, but that's there to be seen. And that's fair concrete to be taken up. There wouldn't have been much wrong with that, believe it or not. That wouldn't have been a bad footpath at all. So, makes one wonder. And the problem that's going to be left behind over this now should be interesting.